Hi friends, my name is Siddhi. I am from Shri Shambhu Mahadev Devasthan Trust, Fursungi Sanchalit, Shri Bhekrai Mata Madhyamik Vidyalaya Bhekrai Nagar. Shivarkar sir was taking our activity based lecture and I am inspired to create this video from that lecture. Friends, today in this video we will discuss about GST. What is meant by GST? I will tell you some information about GST. So in this video we learn about GST. So let's start.
Introduction to GST. In our country, GST tax system is in a practice for a business. GST. G means goods, S means service, and T means tax. And you know that PAN has a 10 alpha numerical. Similarly, GST has a 15 alpha numerals. It includes 10 digit of the dealer. You see here one example of a GST number. There is a 15 alpha numerals. Here first two digits are show the code of a Maharashtra. Here are 27 and 27 is the code of a Maharashtra. From 27 one can understand that a person or a farm is registered in a Maharashtra. Then next 1 is represent one registration and Z is represent union for all, and then last one number is represent that confirm the validity of a GST when enter on a GST portal. Then we see in this chart the rates and the types of GST are as prescribed by the government. So there are some types of a GST. First is an zero rated and the rate of a GST is 0%. In a goods, there is essential commodities like food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, salts, earthen pots, etc. And in a service, there is a charitable trust, activities, transport of water, use of roads and bridge, public library, agriculture, related service, education and healthcare service, etc. Second is that low rated and the rate of GST is 5%. In goods, commonly used items like a LPG cylinder, tea, coffee, and T means tax. Overall, GST means common tax for goods and service. In our whole country follows the same tax levy system. Before the GST, every state had a variety of taxes, lived at a different stages of trading. Taxes that existed before were excise duty, service tax, custom duty, central surcharge and cess, VAT, luxury tax, entertainment tax, octroi, CST, countervailing duty, spectile additional. All these taxes are subsumed under the GST. That is why GST is a one nation, one tax, one market. GST is in effect from 1st July of 2017. CGST, SGST, IGST are the components of the GST. CGST is the central goods and service tax which is to be paid to the central government, whereas SGST is the state goods and service tax which is to be paid to the state government, and IGST means interstate sales. Then we see here how the GST in number form. GST in number is the identification number of a dealer. GST in means goods and service tax identification number. GST in is a mandatory for the dealer whose annual turnover is previous financial year exceeds rupees 20 lakh. Rate is 200 rupees per pack and quantity is 1 pack. Taxable amount is equal to 200 rupees. The rate of a CGST is equal to 9%. That means tax is equal to 18 rupees. And the rate of a SGST is equal to 9%. That means tax is equal to 18 rupees. So total 236.00. Our fourth item is that bread and its HSN code is 1905. Rate is rupees 35, quantity 1 pack, taxable amount 35 rupees. Rate of a GST CGST is equal to 0% means tax is equal to 0 rupees. Rate of a SGST is equal to 0% means tax is equal to 0 rupees. So total is equal to 35 rupees. Fifth one and last one is that butter. And the HSN code is 210690. Rate 500 rupees per kg. 200 quantity is equal to 250 gram. Taxable amount 125. Rate of a CGST 6% means tax 7.50, and rate of a SGST is equal to 6% and tax 7.50. So total 140.00 rupees. So in a CGST total amount is 41.70, and in SGST total amount is equal to 41.70. So all over total amount is that 723.40. Then you see here another bill, and it is tax invoice for a service provided, and it is for a sample. Here the supplier name Food Junction, Khed Shivapur, Pune, invoice, tax invoice, or a sample of a bill. Tax invoice of a good purchase. Here the supplier name A to Z Sweet Mark, 143 Shivaji Rasta, Mumbai 40001, Maharashtra. Mobile number 9263 92111. Email is that a2z@gmail.com. Here is a GST number, and it is the number, identification number of a dealer. Here is invoice number, and the number is GST/110. Invoice date is 31st July 2017. Our first item is that payday and their HSN code. HSN code means harmonized system of a nomenclature, and our first item is payday, so its HSN code is 210690. Rate is 400 rupees per kg, quantity 500 grams, taxable amount 200, GST. Rate of a GST is 2.5% and tax is 5 rupees. Rate of a SGST is equal to 2.5% and tax is 5 rupees. So total is equal to 210. Our second item is that chocolate, and the HSN code is equal to 210691, and rate is rupees 80, quantity 1 bar, taxable amount 80 rupees, rate of a CGST 14% and the tax is 11.20 rupees. Rate of a SGST is equal to 14% and a tax is 11.20. So total is equal to 102.40 rupees. Our third item is that ice cream, and the HSN code is that 2105. LPG cylinder, tea, coffee, oil, honey, frozen vegetables, spices, sweets, etc. And in a service, railway transport service, bus transport service, taxi transport service, air transport, hotels providing food and beverage, etc. Third is that standard rated means first slab, and the rate of a GST is 12%. In a goods, there is a consumer goods, butter, ghee, dry fruits, jam, jelly, sauces, pickles, mobile phone, etc. And in a service, printing job work, guest house service related to construction business. Fourth one is that standard rated means second slab, and the rate of a GST is 80%. Most of the goods and service are included in this type of a GST. So goods is marble, granite, perfumes, metals item, computer, printer, monitor, CCTV, etc. And in a service, courier service, outdoor catering, circus, drama, cinema, exhibition, currency exchange, broker service in a share trading, etc. Fifth one and the last is highly rated, and the rate of a GST is 28%. And in a goods, luxury items, motorcycles and spare parts of luxury cars, pan masala, vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, AC washing machine, fridge, tobacco product, aerated water, etc. And in a service, 5-star hotel accommodation, amusement parks, water parks, theme parks, casino, race course, IPL games and air transport. All are the rates and types of a GST which is prescribed by the government. Now we see here a tax invoice. Invoice number 58. Mobile number 7588580000. Email ahar.khed@yahoo.com. GST number. Invoice date 25th December 2017. Here is a SAC. So SAC means what? A long form of the SAC is Service Accounting Code. Our first item is that coffee, and its SAC code is 9961, quantity 1, rate 20, taxable amount 20 rupees, CGST is equal to 2.5% means tax is equal to 0.50, and SGST is equal to 2.5% means tax is equal to 0.50 rupees. Then our second item is that masala tea, and its SAC code is 9963, quantity is equal to 1, rate is 10 and taxable amount is equal to 10 rupees. Rate of a CGST is 2.5% and the tax is 0.25. Rate of a SGST is equal to 2.5% and tax is 0.25. Then our third item is that masala dosa and its SAC code is 9962. Quantity is 2, rate in rupees 60, taxable amount 120. CGST rate is 2.5% means 3 rupees and SGST rate is equal to 2.5% means 3 rupees. So the total of a taxable amount is 150. The total of a CGST is equal to 375 and
I really thankful to you for watching this video till the end. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe this channel Mahadev Shivarkar Lectures on Maths. Thank you.